Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can leave the color expect 1. I would say that if you want to have only one color in your video and everything you want to have black and white or something like that. So let's go. First, what you want to do is go to Effects menu and right here leave, and you'll have it here leave color. Take it and paste it on your video. Go to Effects Controls and you'll have it here. Amount to decolor, go to 100, or no, go to 0. Color to leave, choose this one, I don't know, pink one. And now amount to decolor, voila. And as you can see, everything is black and white, like the shade stuff. Like there are those movies which are colorful and right away then they are not. So this is how we can do it. Also, I'm going to show you a different option when we have a gameplay, and I don't know, like this is long gameplay. Yep, let's say that we want to have only this color. So again, effects, leave color, this one, and we want to have this color. See, this is bad. I mean, this is why it's really dangerous to have anything else here. Tolerance. Yep, for example, on this one, it's really hard. On the tolerance on 15. Yep, you can't have too many colors because it's not going to be that effective, but this is how we can make black and white expect one color. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe. I'll really thank for that. Thank you very much, everybody. Peace and goodbye.